Hi friends, so I'm going to do examples of how to use context clues to figure out the meaning of words with the prefixes un, miss, and non. So if you don't remember the meaning of these prefixes, we're going to see how we can use context clues in the sentence to help us figure out the word's meaning. So the first sentence that we're going to do is even though I dropped my cup, it was unbroken. So using the clues in the sentence, we see that the cup dropped, and usually that means broken, but it is unbroken, so the word unbroken means the cup is not broken. Number 2, I misjudged the lady. I thought she was mean, but actually she was kind. So using the clues in the sentence, we see that at first we thought the lady was mean, but then she was kind. So misjudged means that we wrongly judged the lady. And number 3, my friend told me a zombie is non-living. Well, we know what a zombie is, right? It's like a dead thing. So non-living must be not living. I hope these quick examples helped you, and go ahead and get reading and do your exit ticket. See you next time. Bye.